So I am here with Scotty. I'm Kelsey, pediatric PT, founder of Compleo Wellness. And today we're going to talk about some of our favorite fidgets. And we've had to go squishy balls. We love squishy balls. And
Yes.
have we had to go to a lot of doctor appointments lately?
Yeah.
Yeah. And have these helped you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do you think these help you when we're at scary doctor appointments?
They're squishy.
They're squishy.
And they also smell good.
And they smell good. And what do we do when we're bored? Do we get to play catch? And what did you, me, and Daddy do with them?
Yeah.
Catch. And we learned monkey in the middle. Oh!
Yeah.
Mom's not very good at catching. Got to work on my hand-eye coordination. So these have a nice little bit of weight, which is really nice. They can squeeze. They have different scents to them. And it's really just a great calming. It can give a little bit of a distraction. They fit in a purse or a bag. And so this has been so helpful for us. We've had a lot of doctor's appointments lately. And Scotty has really loved getting to play catch. He even caught our doctors by surprise. When they walk in the room, we see who can catch it, right? Did Dr. Barkley catch it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the last one he did.
The last one he did. And so
I can't see this one.
Oh, let's see. Oh, that one's heavier, huh?
Oh, no.
You think you can catch the big one? Oh. You ready? Can you get it? Oh, nice. Good work. So these are all over our house now. They're the new norm. Lindsay, our Compleo partner, introduced me to these, and I have fallen in love with them. So if I'm on a challenging phone call, a lot of times you can squeeze like a traditional stress ball, just even feeling the weight in your hand. If you watch some of our other videos where we talk about pediatrics, we talk about grounding, and there's lots of different ways you can. We do talk about grounding. Yeah. We like to use a lot of these skills at home too. We try to take what we talk on camera off the screen and practice what we preach. And so this is a great way to work on some grounding or distraction.
He also like catching their other hands.
Yep, he loves to catch them in his other hand. So if you're looking for some easy on-the-go ideas to work on that grounding, and you can also work on hand-eye coordination, all the gross motor, fine motor things as well. No matter from age 4 to 104, these are a great idea to keep around in your office, school, work, and home. Don't forget to follow us at Compleo Wellness for all things across the lifespan and wellness that grows with you.